Hello and welcome to Pro Trader Strategies Market Commentary for Friday, March the 11th. My name is Eric Wilkinson. Some of you may recognize me as the Wolfman from CNBC, Fox Business, or even the Wall Street Journal, where I've commented on everything from economic to geopolitical and market analysis. Please keep in mind that everything that we talk about in these market commentaries is not a solicitation to buy or sell any of these securities or strategies. At the end of the day, we're here to teach you some different strategies that you can implement into your own portfolios, but please do that in your own way. The reason why I can't give you a recommendation on a particular stock or strategy is because I don't know your risk parameters. I don't know what's in your portfolios. Therefore, what I'm doing could be counterintuitive to what you are already doing. Having that out of the way, let's get this on. Not really any economic data coming out today to be a market mover for the most part. As you can see here, the E-mini NASDAQ is up about 55 points, just a pretty big rally. I mean, yesterday's market rally and sell-off was pretty amazing off of Draghi's comments. But anyway, we are right there at the point of control, which is the value area for the NASDAQ on time and volume. So the most time and volume has been spent here for the better part of the last year. So that is major. It's really probably going to want to settle down right in this for a little while until the bulls and the bears really decide who's going to win. So it's kind of like looking like a sideways market, like I talked about. We're going to have this big massive move and then settle down, kind of like the jumping bean. So it's kind of like what we're seeing right there now. Despite the fact that we're having massive moves intraday, it is right around that value area. Onto the E-mini S&Ps /ES. As you can see here, market really rallying hard today, up almost 27, just over 27 points. But the market has just blasted off since basically the opening of the trade overnight. As you can see here, this was the trade overnight. Started out a little bit lower, but really almost no letdowns off this, this short here. These guys must have been really short and are now really scrambling to get back out, as you can see here. So the market just pushing higher on what seems to be somewhat of a short squeeze from yesterday. Onto the trades that I've done. The only thing that I've really done today is Tesla, and in Tesla I did the April 220, 225 call spread. So I sold the 220s and bought the 225s for defining that risk. It just seems that, this looks like it is on a Fibonacci. This is, I believe, right around where the Fibonacci level is. So the 225s are way higher, and the 230s is like the next Fibonacci level. So just looked like with the massive rally we're having in the overall market, Tesla just isn't really participating so much, and I think that it's a little bit overdone. So I'm going to short that, add some shorts. For the rest of my portfolio, I haven't really done a whole lot because I talked about we've made a nice bounce back. I'm still bearish on the overall economy. I haven't seen anything that really comes out that says that we're starting to pick up the pace at all. So I'm still bearish on the overall economy. So I'm still leaving my portfolio net short and leaning towards that. I'm not really adding a whole lot right now. Just about every high implied volatility stock is already in my portfolio. I have about a little over 30 positions going right now. So I'm going to kind of do a little bit of a wait and see if we are going to break out and move higher, or if I see this turn around a little bit and start going lower, that's when I'm going to really start getting aggressive. But until then, I'm going to kind of hold off. That's about all I got for you guys today. Check out today's webinar. You can go to protraderstrategies.com and sign up for that. We're gearing up for earnings season coming up. Yes, it seems to be a little bit earlier, but as you know from listening to me talk, that these implied volatilities are really coming off, and it's a good time to add a volatility play where we are going to get long volatility in expectation of that ball going up around those earnings. All right? If you can't take that, take it easy.